I took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in a snow-covered hill, till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I handle the seasons of my life? I don't know, but I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I built my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. I take this love and take it down. If you climb a mountain and you turn around, if you see my reflection in a snow-covered hill, well then maybe a landslide will break